We're starting at the very bottom of this park with the waterfalls in Uruapen. And this is a spectacular waterfall right here. I don't know if this one was man-made or not. This is a kind of a cloudy day, but this is in a rainforest in Uruapen, Mexico. And I'll be making several short videos of this. The water is really crazy. The river's high because they've had a lot of rain here. So the water is coming down. I'm getting wet right now. Going over this stone bridge. And this is the main river. It's been dammed up all along and does things. This is as far down as you can go through this locks in it so they can control it. And they run it around different streams in different places so that they can get it. That's the waterfall right there. And that's kind of man-made, that one. The water used to go, but it doesn't go right there. As I say, this is a rainforest, a natural rainforest in Mexico. Uruapen, Mexico. I'll write the description, the name of the city, where it is, in the captions of the videos when I do this one. I'll probably do 3, 4, 5-minute videos, and I'll do a lot of them. I'll do them in the spot. There's a beautiful plant. Pink, orange, pink, all kinds of flowers in here and things. Tree right in the middle of the walkway. This will be all uphill today. People coming into the park. Hola. Captions, pictures, you can always pause on any of the pictures I take if you want to read the caption. Translate them. There's the river right there. That's the main river. And they kind of control it so that they can have the park more natural looking, even though it's mostly man-made. But it was always natural. Some of the waterfalls are original. They just made themselves over the years with the water. So here's one here, just coming out of the side of the hill. This is man-made. Some people taking pictures here. I won't get too close to them. Uruapen. That's looking down the river. When I came in, there was canals of water being diverted to make these falls work. Very beautiful place. Water running down the rocks all over. That's kind of the natural ones. The ones that are always there. There's the river. This would be on the northwest side of the city. You can pause on the pictures. As I say, I will cut these videos off, and I will probably not put them all on YouTube together the same day or the same week, but I'll space them out, and I'll mention where I am. tropical rainforest in Yucatan, Mexico. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.